What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I want to start off by saying Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Today we're going to be doing a couple things to the car. If you're new to the vlog, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. We got a lot of things in store for this car, Acura TSX, and today we got a good one. So we're going to be doing puddle lights on the side skirts. Also how to wire the puddle lights. There is a thread online on how to do this. I was thinking, I think I have a way, like a shortcut way. So if that works out, I'll let you guys be the judge of what you think. Yeah, so I'm gonna take out the side skirts. This is pretty cold out, I'm not gonna record it. I'm gonna take you guys upstairs, show you what I've done already, because I already wired it up, and then show you guys how to mount the puddle lights onto the side skirts. And I'll also link the puddle lights on the description below if you want to get them. They're pretty cheap on Amazon. So yeah, let's get this vlog started. See you guys upstairs. Alright, so we got the side skirts off. Let me just show you guys what the pod lights look like. Alright guys, so this is the LED pod light that I bought off Amazon. It's just a wire with the LEDs inside, and then at the end we have a positive and a negative. I took two speaker wires, one being the positive and one being the negative, two going one way on one side, and I have to do the other side, but this one's already pre-made. One connected to the positive, one connected to the negative, and they're each spread across the two wires. Let me just show you a demonstration of what it looks like on. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm back outside and the sun is gone, so it took me quite a while. I have it all wired up now. Just gotta install it, and we gotta put the clips back on the slots right there, right there, right there, and then snap it back in, put the bolts from the bottom, and then figure out how to wire it up. So let's do that now. What's going on, guys? So just a little update. It's been about a week since I did the puddle lights. It got extremely cold outside and I just wanted to get it done. I'm gonna just show you guys and explain what it was that I did, how I wired it up, and what I wired it up to. I'll show you guys the lights, but it wouldn't be very visible because it's really light out. So what I did was the side skirts here, I passed the wire through the wheel well here, took the bumper off, put it behind the bumper support. Same thing on this side, wired, pushed it all through the wheel well here, and then I connected it here, positive and negative, put the bumper back on, and then connected it through here, through the wheel well, and then I wired it to the fog lights so I can switch it on and off. I'm gonna show you guys. So, fog lights are on. The next thing to do is the headlights, but I don't have my tools on me, so I'm gonna save that for another video. What I'm gonna end up doing is carbon fiber wrap this here. So we're gonna have to take this out, take the shift knob out. And another thing, so I have this spoon shift knob, 6-speed shift knob, and I was thinking about doing a giveaway. I want to reach 500 subscribers before I do any giveaways because I feel like 100 is too low of a number. So once I hit 500, I'll be picking a random, I guess like a random YouTube subscriber, or I'll do like a random comment picker, and I'll be giving away the spoon shift knob. So as you can see, you know, it's okay. It has a little scratch here. Once I reach 500, I'll be giving this one away. Yeah, we're gonna change this today. Carbon fiber wrap the center console. Yeah, let's just take this out and get it upstairs. Just completed the wrap. And I also fixed this. I don't know if you guys remember in the first video this didn't work. So what I did was this had broken off, and I kind of saw that there's like a trail that this follows. In order to lock and unlock, put a hole, put a bolt through with a nut in the back just to hold it not too tight, so it can still be able to do the closing and the opening. Open, closed, and open. So, yep. Now let's go downstairs and install this.